This is the boot up sequence when the motors are probed and aligned with the sensors. Forward, normal speed, and rewind. Early auto-stop is engaged when the optical sensor reports sudden increase of surface quality. I would like to track the tape speed with it as well, but it's unreliable. The tape speed is estimated from angular velocities of the hubs. So we have pretty fast forward and rewind, about 30 times the normal speed. SimpleFOC library on Pt.6 controls both motors. There is no current feedback, only angle sensing from magnetic encoders. The take-up spindle is velocity controlled, the supply spindle provides tension, so the tape can be started and stopped pretty quickly. Let's take it apart and see some details. The cassette is held firmly in place by these nylon brackets. You can see the foot of the mouse sensor up there. Here are the motors. When the take-up spindle motor is trying to pull the tape, the supply motor works as a brake. Currently it sees no resistance, so it just spins backwards. On the back side we see a DC-DC converter that provides 9 volts for the motors, Pt.6 0 and BLDC drivers. I'm using STS pin 233. As you can see from the jumper wires, current sensing is not implemented, and it's probably okay. The motors that I got sent did not have the magnets fixed, so I had to improvise. I found a combination of screws that fit into the hollow shafts after some minimal filing down. It's not ideal, but it works. This connector is for the optical sensor. The wires are rather short and it's easier to put everything back together when it's disconnected. The optical sensor is not very useful, although sometimes I can see that my estimated tape speed is in the same ballpark as reported by the sensor, so it's a good thing. I'm using surface quality parameter for tape leader detection and auto stop. The next big step would be the head assembly. Back when I was designing the first batch of parts, it was too much planning ahead at once. So I thought it's just gonna be alright. It didn't magically turn out alright, but at least now I have the head and I can look at it and try and invent something. This is what the head does in a proper tape mechanism. I can't match that. But I think I can put the head on a long lever, which would press it into the felt pad. And for fast forward, the lever will be pulled by a servo. Thanks for staying with me today. See you next time. Bye.